Multiply the two matrices to determine the product matrix Hg. Notice that order matters here, so we do need to put the H matrix first. And so I'll go ahead and just write that out first here, and then we'll multiply that by G. And so remember that when we're multiplying matrices, then we need to multiply the first row by the first column. And we'll multiply each entry, so the first entry of the row by the first entry of the column, and then we'll add the second two multiplied together. And so the way that will look is, so it'd be 1, and then multiplied by 4, the first here, and then plus -7, the second one in the row, times the second one in the column. And then we'll go ahead and do the same row, so 1 again, and then this time by the second column. So first times 3, the first one in that second column, and then again I have -7 there, and then times -2. And then for the second one, we'll do the second row of H. And so our numbers will be the same, except we'll have 8, and then again times 4, the first of the first column, and then plus 12 in the second row, second column, and then times 0 again. And then again it'll be 8, and then this time times 3, and then again plus 12, and then -2. So notice that the 8 and 12 match in each of these different terms, and then the 4 and 0 matches with the one above it, and then the 3 and -2, those match with the one above. So you can kind of check yourself a little bit. And then in the third row, then we have -3, and again times 4, and then plus 0, and then again times 0, and then again -3, and then this time times 3, the one in the second column, and then plus 0, and then times -2. And then lastly, we'll have 0, this is for the fourth row, and then again times 4, and then we have plus 4 times 0. And then 0 again, but this time times 3, plus 4 times -2. So again, just row multiplying by each of the columns. And then let's go ahead and simplify this. So 1 times 4 gives us 4, plus -7 times 0, that's just 0. So that should just give us 4. 1 times 3 is 3, plus -7 times -2, that's positive 14. So 3 plus 14 is 17. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 12 times 0, that's just 0. So we'll just have 32. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 12 times -2, that's -24. So that'll just add to 0. And then so on, we can just add together the rest. So now we have our final matrix, Hg, and we can go ahead and summarize our answer. Our answer is Hg equals 1, 8, -3, 0, -7, 12, 0, 4, times 4, 0, 3, -2, equals 1 times 4 plus -7 times 0, 8 times 4 plus 12 times 0, -3 times 4 plus 0 times 0, 0 times 4 plus 4 times 0, 1 times 3 plus -7 times -2, 8 times 3 plus 12 times -2, -3 times 3 plus 0 times -2, 0 times 3 plus 4 times -2 equals 4, 32, -12, 0, 17, 0, -9, -8.